Hey again, everybody. Thanks for checking in with us here on Traveling with Jack. That's me and my heavenly wife, Pam. Hey, I was going back through some old videos that were stored in some areas that I had totally forgotten about. And I ran across this one from 2018 when Pam and I were out gallivanting around the state of Wisconsin and stumbled across this little winery that had the most amazing selection of wines. I'm not going to say they were necessarily the best wines we'd ever had, but you want to talk about variety, there was a bunch of them. Now, this is in the early part of our channel development, so pardon us for a little bit of the quality maybe, and maybe some of the content wasn't that terrific, but we sure had a lot of fun, and I sure am missing having her back behind the camera there running it for me. And then every now and then, we get her out in front of the camera too. She certainly was a sweetheart. So if you want to check this out, stick around. It's a rather short video again on a wine find in Wisconsin. Everyone, traveling with Jack and Pam behind the camera today. And guess what? We're in rural Wisconsin, about 50 miles from the city of Madison. And look what we found. It's a winery. It's called the Spurgeon Vineyards and Winery. You're saying, wine in Wisconsin? Is that possible? I didn't think it was, but it is. Again, we're about 50 miles out in rural Wisconsin here. We just did a wine tasting up in that building right up there. Now, I know you're saying, well, it doesn't look like much, but let me tell you Californians, you California wine snobs, you get to sample 20 different wines for the grand prize of, or the grand total of, zero. That's right, cost you nothing. Now, you're saying, well, what kind of wine do they produce in Wisconsin? I got to tell you, these folks make wine out of everything. They had blueberry wine. They had apple wine. They had spice wine. They had cherry wine. We couldn't even keep up with how many wines they had. And I'm probably a little loopy right now because I think we tried about 10 of them. And then they also have little snacks and things like that. It's a really cool place, though. Again, you're probably going to have to Google it. I don't even want to try and give you directions here. But again, it's the Spurgeon Vineyards and Winery here. They do grow some of their own grapes. They're back up in the hills there. But then the rest of the grapes and apples and fruits that they use, they bring in. But they produce, again, 20 different flavors of wine right here. So check it out. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Have a great day.
Hi everyone, this is Pam, and guess who? Behind the camera.
That's right, Pam. I'm running the camera for you because you've got a special message.
I do. I would like for everyone to go to YouTube, if you've not already, and subscribe to our page, Traveling with Jack and Pam. We have so much fun going places and showing you these videos, and just would love for you to subscribe to us. So go do it right now.